Now we will discuss about what is a keyword. A keyword is a word or words or a phrase or a sentence that your potential customer will search in search engines like Google to find your type of business. So that means keyword means it's a search string, it's a words or phrase or sentence that your potential customers will search in Google or Yahoo or Bing to find your type of business. So for a business, keyword is very important because if you identify the keywords properly and accordingly, if you can optimize your website's different pages, then there is a chance that your website, your that web page might rank well in search engine, and the visibility, the chances, there's more and more people can view your website's name in Google or Yahoo search result page, and they can click on your website, so you can get more and more visitors or traffic. Now if we type here in Google, say digital marketing courses in Kolkata, we find here the different names like 7 Boats Info System and other names are coming here in the organic list. So 7 Boats Info Systems Academy page is optimized for this keyword, so that's why it is coming in the first top rank. So this is called a keyword for 7 Boats Info Systems Academy page. Now keyword is of two type. One is called broad type of keyword or generic keyword. Another one is called a long tail keyword. Now what is a broad keyword? It's a single word or double word that is generic in nature, and the volume and the competition is quite huge for that. For example, if we say 7 Boats is mostly dealing with digital marketing, so overall our subject matter is digital marketing. So digital marketing, this is a two word keyword. So if we search digital marketing in google.co.in, so we see the total number of results is around 22 crore. So now digital marketing, is this a right kind of keyword for 7 Boats? If you think, digital marketing can be a subject, digital marketing can be a research paper, digital marketing can be anything. So if somebody is searching with digital marketing, that does not necessarily mean that they might be your potential customer. But if somebody is searching with digital marketing training institutes in Kolkata, so that means they are searching quite specific thing and there is a better chance of conversion. So you can say your potential customer, you are providing classroom training in Kolkata only, so your potential customers, potential students, they would search with specifically digital marketing courses or digital marketing training institutes in Kolkata. So that keyword that is consisting 3 or more word is called a long tail keyword. Now long tail keyword, what will be the benefit of the long tail keyword? Because long tail keyword is quite specific, it narrowed down the search result. So whosoever is searching with these long tail keywords, that means they are really interested, they have this requirement. So if you come in the top of the SERP, search engine result page, so there is a better chance of conversion. So long tail keywords is basically specific and it will give you more and more conversion. And another benefit of this is, suppose for digital marketing, you can see the competition, the volume is 22 crore 60 lakh, but if you, as soon as if you write digital marketing training institutes in Kolkata, so you see the volume here 9 lakh 3000. So the volume, the competition would be less here. Now what does it mean? It means, we have already earlier described, if the competition, if the volume is between 1 lakh to 25 lakh, it would take around ideally tentatively 3 to 4 months to get the result in top slot. So it would be easier for you to get your web page ranked for this long tail keywords. And another one is that long tail keyword will give you specific, you will help you to get specific narrow down customer segment, so there is a better chance of conversion. So what we need to do for keyword strategy, we have to blend both the broad or generic keywords as well as the long tail keywords in a very tactful way, so that quickly we can get rank with the long tail keywords, as well as in a long run we can also work for the broad keywords, so that we can get more and more traffic and branding for our website. So we will discuss about keyword research technique in the next part. So we would obviously put importance in long tail keywords, specific keywords, narrowed down keywords. Now you should also remember, we can optimize one web page for maximum 3 keywords. So basically we say you should always focus one focus keyword per page, and you can also associate 2 or 3 additional keywords there, so not more than that. For example, if we go to 7boards.com, so we go to 7boards.com. Now 7boards.com, it is a website, it's having many pages. So whatever we see, that is the first page is the home page, and you can see other web pages as well there. So let us wait for the site to open. So this is our home page. Now what we can see, this home page, basically home page should reflect the overall business. So our business is in digital marketing, so your home page should reflect the digital marketing keyword properly. So digital marketing agency in India, digital marketing services is India. So we should focus this keyword, digital marketing agency or digital marketing company in India, and along with similar other 2 or 3 keywords like internet marketing agency in India or online marketing company in Kolkata. So these are related, so we can optimize this home page with mostly 1 to 3 keywords. Now if we go to another page, for example, if we take here, say on page SEO, so this is another page. So this page is all about, is discussing everything about on page SEO services. So you should focus the keyword here with only on page SEO services. So you can't mix here again digital marketing or internet marketing or any other term here. So on the basis of the page content, you should always focus 1 to 3 keyword maximum per page, not beyond that, and it should be similar in nature. So again, if we go to another page, for example, if we go to ORM, so it is called online reputation management. So this page content is all about online reputation management, so we should highlight it. The focus keyword should be online reputation management, and similar keyword can be brand reputation management, online brand reputation management, online brand reviews. So these are the similar group of keywords, so we can focus this page with those kind of keywords. If we can't, if we blend digital marketing here or SEO here, so it would be a complete mismatch. So for every page the content is different, the content is unique. Accordingly, you have to optimize different unique keywords per page, and one page should be optimized for 1 to 3 keywords. So this is very important, so you have to take care of that. So in one page, if you put everything all about digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, if you put everything in one page and try to optimize that single page for different keywords like digital marketing company in Kolkata, again social media marketing in Kolkata with the same page, so it will be difficult for you. Again, another thing you have to remember, the similar kind of keyword, to get rank, you can't build different pages. For example, if we take one keyword for our company's digital marketing company in Kolkata, so we can create, say for example, our home page. So we can focus digital marketing company in Kolkata for our home page. Now there is another keyword, say online marketing agency in Kolkata. So if we create another page, online marketing agency in Kolkata, so it would be a redundant page in eyes of Google. Why? Because online marketing agency in Kolkata and digital marketing company in Kolkata both are the same thing, same topic, similar subject. So you can't repeat, you can't overstuff your website with the same topic, just varying the uh, keywords. This is completely wrong thing. So what you can do, you can create one single page with valuable content, unique content, well researched content, and put the similar, group the similar kind of keywords 1 to 3 as we have discussed, like online marketing company in Kolkata, digital marketing company in Kolkata, or internet marketing agency in Kolkata. So these are the similar kind of keywords. You can group it and you can create one subject, one page for that. Similar with online reputation management or brand reputation management, you can create another page, another content there, well research content should be kept there. So you can't create separate pages on the similar kind of topic. So I think I have made you clear about the usage of keywords. Thank you.